Hey guys, Rusty Nuts here. Another quick video for you. How to do a service reset on a VZ Commodore. You've got to have the ignition off. Oh shit, I need another hand. When the ignition's off, what you got to do is hold down the up and down arrow. Turn the ignition on, you'll hear it beep. Once it beeps, hold down the set button till it beeps again, and job done. I'll try and show you. Ignition off. I've got to set this thing up somewhere. Oh, got him. Hold that down. Turn the ignition on. You'll hear it beep. Come up with service reset. Let go of the two buttons. Hold down set. Oh, wow. You wouldn't read about it. Let's try again, just quickly. Hold the two buttons down, ignition on, beep, hold the set button down, beep, no items. That's it, job done. Cheers guys.